everyone, Windash DevLog number 5. I'm Starck Pierre-Benjamin, the current game designer for WeAreBots, and today I'm with... Hello, I'm also Starck Pierre-Benjamin, the current game designer for WeAreBots. What? Yeah, today Adrien Lefert is currently unavailable, therefore I came a second time to compensate for the great loss. Fine. In part 1 we will discuss about graphic cohesion, and in part 2 we will discuss about options and menus. Thanks for this helping hand. You will now sit in this corner and wait for me to finish. Let's move on to part 1. Part 1, graphic cohesion. Why you want to have a graphic cohesion in the game? It's easy to understand. The main reason is you want everything to blend with each other. In order to do that, you take references. The references are the clones of your game. As an example, Windash is a MOBA, so you take other MOBAs and see how it works. You take Heroes of the Storm, League of Legends, Dota 2, Heroes of New Year, Strife, any MOBA you would like to think about, and you take images and you see how it works, why does it work, and what doesn't work. So you can replicate that, obviously not replicating the mistakes. Then you choose a set of colors. For Windash we choose green and brown, and we toyed around with those colors, stayed around the green, stayed around the brown. After that we take the shapes. As we wanted some sort of cartoonish style for Windash, we wanted to break the lines, not have straight lines, always break the forms. As you can see on a tree, the main shape is very tortured. Same thing on machines, same thing on the goblin, we have exaggerated forms. Other thing we wanted to toy around with is materials. Materials, we are in a very metallic world because on this floating island, the goblins they like to build things and they have tons of minerals to play around with. So we have many material things regarding the metals. So we choose a main materials and then we only toyed around with this material. So we stay cohesive with all the universe we made. That's it for the graphic cohesion. You take those 3 points, colors, shapes and materials, and you stay on those topics. That's it for part 1. Let's move on to part 2. Part 2, options and menus. Each player should have an acceptable gaming experience. In order to do that, you want to have options in the game. For console games, each player will have an Xbox One or a PS4, so you have the same requirements for your game. In PC games, you probably program your game on a machine very different from the guy who will buy it. So you want to have options. We implemented those this week, so everything should run smoothly for most of our players. Regarding menus, this is the responsibility of the game designer. We use schematics for that. As you can see on the screen, there is 3 kinds of boxes. The white box is for the input, the green box is for the action the program will take, and the yellow square is for the decision. There is a yes and a no. Depending on the answer regarding the program, you will take one loop or another. Every menu is looped because you don't want to have a player stuck in some sort of menu, so we loop everything to the source, to the root. That's it for options and menus. We will go on to next week. Talking about next week, we will finish up the map regarding textures, lighting, and maybe drop the last pieces on it. We will also see how to increase the performances on a video game. Happy? That corner was amazing. Great! Goodbye everyone, see you next week!